So, sir, what me a reason with you? Listen me now. Are the artists, them a do that too? Morning, Mr. Holness. See you, Moya. Yes, yes, Jamaicans. A double standard people, them, you know, even the government, daddy. You see me, I did? Because you know how long dancehall music they. Alright, so pre now. So the economy is collapsing because of dancehall music too. Is our children getting raped and murdered because of dancehall music? Because I'm not hearing another dancehall song where we say fuck pitney and cut them throat, you know. And fuck girl and cut them throat, you know. We never say that yet, you know. We say gunshot for boy, you know, boy violate and get gunshot, you know. Me understand, Mr. Holness. But from the other day, gunman nah kill gunman like how man a kill girl down at that. I mean, never hear one dancehall artist can tell no. I fuck them, tell them for fuck girl in a them mouth, breed girl. Get 2, 3 youth from one girl and then go get from 2 more girl. And fuck girl, them love girl. Girl. Suck off more the threesome with girl. All sodomite them sing but say them want fuck. When me hear a dancehall artist a reason about girl, me hear him say fuck she a suck him, girl body broad, girl look good, we no beat girl, we fuck girl. Me that me know dancehall music tell me about girl, so what make a reason now? From what day gunman not dead like girl? Bitch then, cause we no like girl at Jamaica, you know, they don't love woman, they don't be so old this. So good reason. When we hear the dancehall artists them attack, yes, them say if a boy violate me get gunshot, me run around this and me run in this and me run out this one. Yeah, I wanna give them place to run. You think I get a youth can just get up out of himself and look on a scheme and say me I go over there go run that. No. No corruption, politician and whole heap of bumbuckler, this your sector and that the sector there. So you blame that the party and that the party they blame. And the whole of una give people gun. Una bringing them gun here in the island. For them artists that can sing about it, because una give them place for run bad man. Me never see a ghetto youth can just get up out of himself and say, you know what? Me a go down a blood clot Maxfield go run it. No, Papa. No, give them gun, and who no give them place, and who no give them and say them are done. Every done where the boy have one politician back at them. Remember then did say, Dodo Squawk is a JLP, and a JLP them back him big time. Remember that. Remember say then did say Zeeks are one PNP, and PNP back him big time. And them are known murderers. Remember say uno politician and uno bumbucklad people have honor or whatever on call on yourself, people have education. Uno they behind all of them murderer ya. Who no give them place for run and say down this a jail peel stronghold and down this a PNP stronghold pussy so no come with it. Make we talk about statistics. Then if una go say at the dancehall, you think the dancehall artists can buy so much gun and make them come in free or then do swim under bumbuckler water with them? Jamaica is a small island, one little landmass. Una have a wharf. Where the gun them a come through, Anjo? Una no pack out them barrel there and see what down in a them and una no screw down the car them and see una know about all of the gun them. Remember say the last time went on them find how much in gun, including the gun we do the mass shoot in Las Vegas. Remember say one politician did a care that come in our country. Remember that now. Remember say one politician did a carry in all of them weapons there. Be weapons. Even the one who do the murder them in Las Vegas. You see the one who do the big shoot in Las Vegas, that did in the bungle and is a politician. Did I bring that going on in the country? Because what you do? Uno as a politician, bring in the gun them, give the youth them, then uno play a bumbucklad victim and then blame me see him get a youth them for your tabo say, oh, uno want this. No, pussy wall, I wanna give them violence, I wanna give them corruption, I wanna give them gun. Get a youth can't buy gun. Get a youth can't buy gun. Uno feel like enough of them artists, I wanna see a Jamaica make no one whole heap of money. Some might a thief in money. Enough of the artists that can't even buy gun. Who knows politician a buy gun, ghetto youth to kill them one another. Then no blame the ghetto youth them want try make a way out. Oh you mean? You not look a hype off I ghetto youth them. True no put them in a corruption and poverty. No you no want come put the blame upon them after people vote on in. If do better for Jamaica. Who no say you need to go do better on use the same youth them. Who not turn around and fight now. We make dub plate, we make big shout out, blood clot this and blood clot that. At that the time there, them are never poverty and starvation and bumbuckler and murder and violence. Them was a vote. Pussy. Them was a vote at that time, but uno put the youth them in a poverty, give them a heap of gun, and the youth them say them a make lyrics and a sing about what them say, what uno show them, what uno give them. Don't come put it on bomb. A generations of this, you know. One party after this party. Right now, I'm not on no party. Because the whole of the party, them they as a corrupt the whole system, bad man. This your party, you buy gun for feed them followers, them. This your party, you buy blood clot gun for feed them followers. The whole of a bad man in a politics there. Remember, no for a bad man come out, come talk. Say they have enough politician in them pocket and politician buy gun give them. Uno don't come put this pan get a youths now after uno pave the way for youth them. Uno give them gun, give them place for run and tell them to go kill them one a blood clot. That's why it's easier for uno pussy hole. So when you hear the artists them a sing now and make a better way out, me nah go tell you say yo, mother the look youth no catch up in the way him catch up the other day. I wanna pave that the way they fi bumbuck like them too. Even though mother as a big man, should have the dry him youth out of that or send him go one different country or send him go another parish or tie him in a bumbuck like yard like a dog. You see me I deal with? How you mean? Mavado sing blood clot gun lyrics, cartel too. Whole heap of other artists. Look how much artists sing gun lyrics and you never hear them and they in a badness yet. What you do? You get up every day and look for dancehall artists who go bumbuckler lock up. So till you can have bumbuckler sting, a bumbuckler jail. Right now, the whole of dancehall lock up. And crime and violence still a go on pussy hole. So what you say? Who know the problem and not get a youths man? Who know the problem and not get a youths? Get a youths so no. You feel me? But uno want pine finger right now because uno think uno get caught in uno no get caught in a trapper. Uno pave the way for countries the way it is right now. Uno say a dancehall artist when me never hear a dancehall artist tell nobody fi kill a girl yet. I hear see them see a man chop a bumbuckler woman in her face with a lass because the man have a little altercation and ray and tear. As a man, you know fi looking at yourself and take up no lass, boy you go chop no woman in her face. As a man, you should have, and that we are talking about in Anjuka right now, gun and gun violence now go on like how girl get stabbed and cut short down at that, you know. But you look for pine finger over one part when not now go on too tough right now. Yes! Make it bumbuck like bad man and kill them one another, make it fucker then dead. Make it fucker then get where they get a dirt and pussy clot ground. Make them murder them one another. But when we are talking about them your girl pitney who are dead like fly, back at one another. You want to come talk about dancehall artists and the crime and pussy will look for your crime and violence with down the right and now you think a man we are two off of them blood clot one another. And you know send girl pitney them who can't even hurt a fly to pussy hole and get them a fucking treatment here. Tab up you wish part in the music. Mr. Holness ever hear that youth? Which part in the music ever hear that youth? You know hear one time the man them a talk about girl if you ever touch him girl man dirty. Which part ever hear a man look pan no bumbuckler studio producer and tell him say your voice is this. Make sure see you cut girl throat and tap them up. No make girl. Where you hear that bad man? Is a fool? Which part? You ever hear one dancehall artist say them sit about a girl pitney? talk about the matter at hand. You can talk about blood clot crime and violence because of bumbo clot dancehall artists. Fuck that. If bad man and bad man are war, make them go murder them one a bumbo clot and they're not safe for you. Your officer then get the keep some shot. Eh? Make them me talk about the matter at hand right now. Them gyal we are dead. A amount of gyal where you can't find and Joe. I dancehall artists them you go blame for that to youth. When you go wipe the matter out of your eye. When you come to do the job, what the people and vote you for do? When you plan to do that? When you plan to do the vote, you say you go do one job. Where you use the man them for come in the office for them, pussy. If a them you blame for bumbo clot crime and violence now, you's a user all manipulator, pussy hole. You's a, hey boy, don't bother with the fuckery. Bother with it. Because ghetto youths, the right yes, and me never hear a ghetto youths tell people if you kill blood clot girl yet. Right now, be a girl dead. Right now, warfare, me see police are with most of them war from what they are dirt, couple man if you get dirt, yes. But warm to them girl we are dead off so. Eh? Who no want to send them boy you go to jail? No man, Mr. Holness man, he's a fool. But one time when you catch the boy, them want dirt, them one another, uno dirt them. So why one time when you catch the boy, them want dirty female them? Why uno not dirt them? Cause the man them want bad alone, don't have a problem with them one another. So the man them want kill the woman, them uno have no problem with them. They can just go catch and put a jail. Uno no want catch them on fire and make them run through the street and make everybody beat them while they on fire. You don't want to do that? Alright. What you want to? Can them go lock them up over so and give them people taxpayer money for feed them? The same taxpayer money will whole heap of gyal for your work, for your mind that the drunk they will brutally kill woman and them they sitting there. But you rather go out they go dirt. The man them want dirt, them one another. Yes, them for dirt. So them you for dirt too, man. Them have worse at dirt, man. Them you want over here for dirt too. If them have for dirt, we say yes, dirt. We say yes, dirt that. This year one, for dirt worse, man, you know no mama. Someone say, you know no daughter, but you know no mama. You know no mama. Eh? You know, can't talk about you, brother, you come, you call all yourself bro God, 3 years, say the thing hot out the road, and 6 this and 6 that, and bro God. Bro God! All know you don't prove yourself as a bumbo clot, bro God. You don't prove yourself. Eh? Me rascal if my face of the country, him not do a good fucking job. Face of the country. What you mean? Them vote you in. If you go talk up for the country, you not talk up for it. You blame other people for it. The thing them what you fear do, you not implement no law. You not go in there for you try make them implement no new laws. Me no hear you do none of that. No. So what the fuck we have vote for them? But face of the country. You mean you face of the country you fear talk up for it. You not talk, you're fucking silent. You know, you a face so empty your fucking mouth. You not help me. You not help me. So when people vote for you for? Eh? When people blood so what the fuck you not do? Vote for face? A face you not vote for? Me rascal, him a prime minister means and can talk to higher heads. Him supposed to open up his mouth for Uno, because Uno can't open up to no mouth for him now. Uno can't go open up no mouth to the governor general or the fucking queen, you know. Him can't open for him bumbo clot mouth. And that's why Uno vote him in, you know, for open him mouth. For vice, for Uno frustration, Uno go to. Uno see him out me mouth? You know see him fucking mouth lock. He more lock right in front of bumbo clot way. Eh? All me want to know what we have vote for face. The whole of we are bleach. We don't even have no bumbo clot face no more. You see me I deal with face. Something out in our open. Him not see country. And these people blood clot vote for youth. Mirrors. So that means that we have vote. What them are prefect? What them are prefect? Oh, them are prefect. I must some pussy clot prefect them. No laws, minas. Alright then. If you is just the face of Jamaica, where you come board for do? So all of the sitting them where you say you coulda do, you can't do them. You just have said that So people vote then. Cause if I just that you say is just a face of a country. So the fuck people are vote for? Nothing you can do. So the bomb buckler they are doing in office. Eh? All your combo clocks. My preferred choice. Be a hot song. All blood clad. Mama Pepsi do song for you. Javalani do song for you. Government badness. And y'all blame them for murder. So what you can do? Where you come about? A clocks you come about? Brother, every day we in a dance a show of clocks to one another. Bad clocks. So you couldn't talk for with them. You can't do nothing for with them. So the bomb clot we have vote for. Mama, me don't hear you about too much blood clot, bad word, mama, coming in a parliament. And that don't come about pussy. I'm going to call you all a bitch too. You see me I did? Yeah, man, I'm not frustrated. Someone will claim so don't have too much blood clot education about too much bad word. Go suck out on the mama, every part of it. Because someone will claim to sound some blood clot upright, just how you can't take bad word, how you can't take this, you know. How now the deterioration of the blood clot island. Because you claim to sound know better, but you can't shed a fucking light.